Hi guys, it's Anindya Vishwas here. Actually, I have been getting a lot of DMs and messages over WhatsApp and Messenger and Instagram regarding pilot training, and a lot of people have asked me ki, what is the best thing to do before, what is the best school to join, which training institute gives you the best quality of training and everything, which country they should go in for their commercial pilot training. So yeah, I thought why not to make a video and to let you guys know about all the situation, because it's very difficult at times to reply all those DMs. So yeah, let's get started. First thing I will start with is the computer number. So what is computer number? Computer number is basically a roll number that allows all the candidates to appear in the examination and get their examination done. To get your computer number, you have to have math and physics in your 10 plus 2. So for those people who really didn't have, so they can easily get it done from any open university, and then you are good to go. The second thing is medicals, which are the most crucial part of any pilots in the world. To get your medicals done, first you need to get your class 2 medicals done. So for class 2 medical, there are a lot of doctors are available in the major cities across India. So I will just put a list of them in the description box. You can get in touch with them, you can make an appointment and get your class 2 done as soon as possible. So once you're done with your class 2, then you can go for your class 1 medical. So currently in India there are 3 Air Force centers and 2 civil centers who conducts the class 1 medical. So once you are done with class 1 medical, then you are get to go for the next step. So now the examination. So there are 2 subparts in the examination. One is for those people flying in India and those who are flying in abroad. So those who are flying in India, you have to clear 5 DGCA exams, and 1 exams is conducted by WPC, which is RTR. And 5 DGCA exams are air regulation, air navigation, meteorology, technical general and technical specific. And for those people flying in abroad is air regulation, air navigation and meteorology, and RTR depending on the country you are flying from. So moving to the next part, which is flying training. There are a lot of people who have asked me which is the best thing to do, whether get trained in India or get your training done from abroad. So there is nothing called perfect in this world. Everything comes with pros and cons. But as per my opinion, I would suggest you guys to go to abroad to get the real feeling of flying, because I also did my flying from abroad. So once you are done with your CPL, then for those people who flew in abroad, you guys have to convert your license to DGCA, Indian DGCA license. So for that you need to go for a skill test, provided that you have already cleared your all the DGCA papers. So what is skill test? Skill test is basically a flight check which is done by the DGCA approved flight instructor, and once you have passed the check, and then you can easily submit your papers and you can get your DGCA license issued. So once you are done with that thing, then you can move to the next. So next part is type rating. For those people who have already got their license in hand, so you can go for your type rating on your desired fleet, else you can start preparing for your airline examination. The next one is the cost involved in this training. This is the most asked question by the people. Okay, don't worry, I'll be helping you guys by giving the figures as close as possible depending on the current market values. So for CPL, currently you need to have 30 to 35 lakhs Indian rupees depending on the institute, depending on your performance, and it doesn't include your monthly expenses. That depends on your lifestyle. So once you are done with the CPL training, then for conversion you need to have 4 to 5 lakhs Indian rupees again, and it includes your coaching classes and skill test and other miscellaneous charges. And for type rating, once you are already hired by the company, and for type rating it gonna take around 30 to 35 lakhs depending on the company, maybe more, maybe less. So that's all. And that means if I take from beginning, then it gonna take around 65 to 70 lakh Indian rupees to become a commercial pilot if you do the conventional CPL. So last but not least, for those people who have asked me about the parameters you should look for before getting into a flight school, and for those people as well who asked me about the scholarships availability regarding the pilot training, and for those people as well who asked me about the differences between the cadet pilot program and the normal conventional CPL, for you guys I will try to come up with a new video, then I can answer all of your questions. And in this video I have covered most of the major points for becoming a commercial pilot in India. And still, if you have queries, so please drop down a comment in the comment section and Feel free to give any suggestion and subscribe to this channel. If you find this video helpful, share it with your friends and stay safe, stay inside, and I'll see you guys in the next one.